Germany's industrial sector has long been considered the backbone of Europe's economy. But recent reports from the IFO Institute paint a stark picture of mounting challenges, as the country faces a technical recession and a wave of job losses that ripple far beyond its borders. Since 2019, Germany's industrial sector has shed around 245,000 jobs. This contraction, confirmed by Destatis and EY's latest analysis, represents a 4.3% drop in the workforce. The automotive industry alone lost over 51,000 jobs in the past year, while sectors like chemicals and machinery have seen even sharper declines. At the end of the first quarter of 2025, industrial employment stood at about 5.46 million, down from 5.71 million just a few years ago. This isn't a short-term dip. Manufacturing employment has declined for more than 18 consecutive months, translating to at least 6 straight quarters of net job losses. The streak began in late 2024, triggered by energy shocks and weakening exports. Each quarter brought new challenges, from export slumps to China and the US, to rising energy prices and the costs of transitioning to electric vehicles. By the third quarter of 2025, insolvencies in the sector had risen by nearly 10%, and unemployment registrations for manufacturing alone increased by 285,000. Germany's struggles have weighed heavily on the entire Eurozone. As the country accounts for a quarter of Europe's manufacturing output, its 0.3% GDP contraction in the second quarter of 2025 dragged Eurozone growth down to just 0.1%. While politicians talk of a soft landing, the reality is more sobering. Unemployment has reached a 14-year high and industrial output continues to fall. Meanwhile, neighboring countries like Poland and the Czech Republic are seeing industrial growth rates of 3 to 4%. The effects extend globally. Germany produces 1/5 of the world's machinery and equipment, and its engineering output is forecast to drop by 8% this year. This has already led to delays in European auto and chemical production, and even US and Asian industries are feeling the pinch as imports from Germany decline. Nearly 12,000 insolvencies in the first half of 2025 highlight the fragility of these supply chains. In response, many German manufacturers are relocating production to countries like Poland, the Czech Republic, and Vietnam, where labor is cheaper and growth is stronger. Over 1 in 5 German firms are planning such moves within the next year, and foreign investment in Vietnam from Germany is up 15%. Despite these challenges, there are opportunities. Companies able to attract laid-off German engineering talent could gain a significant edge, especially in sectors like renewables and advanced manufacturing. For investors and professionals, this period of upheaval may offer new avenues for growth, if they're ready to adapt to a rapidly changing landscape.